Welcome back. A new national survey shows parents are stressed, and the major stressor is their children's mental health. The Kids Mental Health Foundation, which was founded by Nationwide Children's Hospital, took a survey of more than 1,000 parents in the United States. And listen, the results show something really many people know. Nearly all parents, 97% of children under 18, parents of those children, they all felt stress related to parenting in the past month, with 1 in 4, 30%, saying they experience stress often. Behavioral issues along with emotional or mental health were the top 2 sources of stress. Nearly half of the parents said their stress makes their children more anxious or worried. Dr. Whitney Ragland-Bignall, who's the Associate Clinical Director of Kids Mental Health Foundation, told me that the survey really shows parents are overwhelmed.
I think one is connection to parents and adults are so key. We know it's a huge protective factor because kids are going to encounter stuff. They just are. And having some adults in your life that you can trust, that you can talk to really do matter. So we want them to be connected to their parents, but also look for those other community, other resources that auntie, that uncle, you know.
It is certainly an honor to be that auntie. And this morning, we're excited to have the Alpha Sigma Omega Education Foundation in to talk about an event this weekend that's focusing on increasing mental health awareness for our children and their families. So I have my friends here. These are actually my sorority sisters. They are representing Alpha Sigma Omega chapter. We have our president, and we have the president of the foundation, and we also have a volunteer this weekend. So let's first start with talking about why the focus this year in the Walk for Student Success is on mental health.
This year, the Walk for Student Success is focusing on mental health for exactly what you heard on that interview. Children receive a lot of stress based on their lifestyle, based on where they live. They have depression, they have anxiety, and we want our kids to be healthy. We want them to learn the tools to get to that healthy, flexible mindset so that they are ready to learn, they are ready to grow, and they're ready to play.
All right. That's great. So thank you for that, Stephanie. Now let's talk about the foundation and how it plays a role in all of this with the sorority.
So the Achieving Standards of Excellence Foundation was founded in 2002 by members of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. And its goal was to find ways to support the most vulnerable in our community. That is our youth, that is our aging citizens. That's what the purpose was, and to give them the opportunity to promote excellence, provide experiences. That's what we do.
And so Saturday, we're walking.
We're walking.
Rain or shine, the weather's going to be good.
Yes.
So Rhonda, talk about why you are participating in this.
Well, you know, Tracy, this is near and dear to my heart. I have family members and friends who have unfortunately have loved ones who have unfortunately have passed away because of mental illness. And so for this gives our chapter an opportunity to bring forth an amazing initiative to bring it to the community so we can show everyone what we are about and what we stand for. And so hopefully by way of this event that we will have this weekend, we can have some individuals that not only get some information, but be around individuals that are like-minded and to be able to just have fun that day and just to not have to worry about that stress at that time.
And it's the mental and it's the physical, because we're talking a 5K.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit more about this walk.
Now the 5K, we will have it this Saturday, and we will have our participants register. We have our chapter to be able to assist all those individuals. We'll have food, we'll have entertainment, we will have food trucks that are there, but most of all, we're able to be there in fellowship and love on one another.
Okay, so Wolf Park.
Wolf Park.
And what time?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, and you can register on site, right?
You can register on site.
$35.
$35. Kids are free.
Okay.
So bring your kids.
Okay.
Bring their friends.
All right.
And we will have a great family event on Saturday.
All right.
It's
Thank you so
about
much.
awareness and action.
Thank you so much for coming